Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mallarkotla location. It is from Punjab. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for customer care executive in Vidal Health, and coming to the experience required, like freshers and experienced candidates both can apply. And coming to the job description, like handling team members, customer satisfaction, grievance handling, and error-free claim collection from corporates, maintaining reports, sharing knowledge to team members, manage team productivity, and handling escalations. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications, like any graduation or post graduation, those who have no backlogs, and flexible to work in day shift for both males and females. And coming to the working days, like 6 days from Monday to Saturday, and salary will be according to company standards. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for a receptionist in Inspire Global. Coming to the key duties, like to deal with the clients politely and to take client queries and to resolve them, to make soft calls and follow-ups with the clients, and to schedule meetings and appointment with the appropriate person, to maintain registers and office inventory, and to be able to maintain records on computer or online. And applicant must be good in English, and joining is immediate. And send your resume to the along with your photograph. And preference will be given to female candidates with good personality and good communicational skills, and experience in the same field will be an added advantage for this job role. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time. Freshers also can apply for this job role, and it will be a walk-in. And coming to the salary, it will be from 7,000 to 27,000 per month. And coming to the experience required, like the candidates should have experience in these ones. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for IELTS trainer in the Trackers Educational and Overseas Services Private Limited. Coming to the job responsibilities, like you will have the sole responsibility to ensure that the learner is provided with enough opportunity to develop their four key language skills and guide them to achieve an improved IELTS score, and plan and deliver a variety of online or classroom IELTS academic and general training, lectures and tutorials which focus on the four key skills, like listening, speaking, reading and writing, and conduct and grade as practice tests. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and freshers also can apply, and it will be a walk-in. And salary will be 15 to 25,000 per month, and it will be a day shift, and 1 year experienced candidates can be preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for office admin in the Trackers Educational and Overseas Services. Coming to the job description and the key responsibilities for this job role, like a candidate should have good English and communicational skills, verbal and written analytical skills, and computer skills, and the ability to learn and perform in challenging environment, coordination or multitasking, and must be a team player. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for IELTS trainer in Daffodils EduCity, Marakotla. Coming to the skills required, like excellent communicational skills, having good score in IELTS exam, and overall score will be 7 place. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time and from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And 1 year experienced candidates can be preferred in teacher need like writing and reading module only. And coming to the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred, and this job is a full time. And coming to the salary, it will be from 10 to 14,000 per month, and it will be a day shift. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year's experience is preferred in IELTS trainer. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for IELTS trainer in iAspire Global. Coming to the job requirements, like trainer with excellent command over subject and excellent communication, passionate and to deliver good score, and candidates having experience in teaching PTE or IELTS and should have strong hold on basic grammar, and the candidate must be having IELTS test cleared with minimum 6.5 score in each module, and enthusiastic to learn new concepts or practices, and should have a strong interest in teaching the students and be highly motivated to ensure the students to achieve high scores. And salary will be negotiable for capable candidates, and seeking eligible candidates who are sound in the English language and possess excellent verbal and written communicational skills, along with the tact to rectify errors and convey the same in an attractive and engaging manner. These are some requirements for this job role. Coming to the salary, it will ranges from 8 to 20,000 per month. And coming to the education, like bachelor's degree is preferred, and 1 year's experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for visa counselor in the Trackers Educational and Overseas Services. And coming to the job description and responsibilities, like overseas education counseling and assisting students from start to end of the entire admission process, feeding students with the best of knowledge and information regarding universities, interview and preparing students to ensure that he or she is eligible to apply for application, counsel to the students for various locations like Canada, New Zealand, Australia, UK, etc., and responsible for all applications and operations, coordination with clients and associates, to maintain a working relationship with all clients and colleagues, to help the client or students to obtain visas and other documentation required for visa process, to send university shortlisting to the students, coordination with the universities for offer letter and COE, and preparing a visa file of the students, and the candidate must be a team player. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for account executive AP in Jetscaler. Coming to the qualifications required for this job role, those should be like the candidates should have postgraduate in finance, accounting, or other similar streams will be preferred, and industrial training during the study period would be an added advantage, and such candidates shall be preferred for this role. And the candidates should have skills in MS Office, and decent analytical skills should be preferred. Coming to the job description, like creation of purchase orders, review of vendor codes and working with admin department on the same, and receipt and verification of vendor and other bills, recording of vendor bills and updating of payments in the accounting system on a day-to-day basis, and reconciling vendor accounts on periodic basis. This is a job description. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for graphic designer in the same one, like the trackers educational and overseas services. Coming to the job description and responsibilities, like the candidates should be well versed with Corel Draw, Photoshop and other designing software, and execute front-end web design and updates to clients' websites based on provided wireframes or UI, branding and identity design. Manage, organize and maintain graphic files including logos, photos and artwork. Translate customer research and insights into visual elements and design strategy, and think creatively and develop new design concepts, and the candidate must be a team player. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for IELTS trainer in Conversa English Academy. Coming to the job requirements, like the candidates must be deep knowledge of IELTS and especially in speaking and writing, and good work experience, and should know how to interact and cooperate with the students. And this job will be a full time, and salary will be 7 to 15,000 per month, and it is a fixed shift, and 1 year experienced candidates will be preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.